Powerful when you do it. We all know. See, I'll tell you, whatever we are going to see, everybody knows the techniques. Everybody knows everything. But we don't practice. The only difference between the people who get benefited, those who practice it. No matter what it is, not only this eye exercise, it also your body weight, all those things, right? Everything related to mind. 90% is mind related. Only 10% is food and everything else we are talking. Every period of time, there is one other issue actually dominates. Now we are talking about cell phone, TV, right? 20 years back, one previous generation, something would have been, impacted or dominated. There's always a case. If you take the history, there's always a case in every time. So nothing like, don't imagine that, the previous generations are luxuriously living and all that. We are luxuriously living, but we are conveniently living. We are not living right. We are the one who is really luxuriously living, but not in the right way. We can use the luxury for the right way, right? So let's talk about that, the fear. Why fear comes? Insecurity. Why insecurity? How many of you are believing that we are living? Everybody is thinking. Yeah? What is he talking about? We never thought about it. We are living. We are existing most of the time. Right? We are physically present. We are not living. Living at the present, right? So that is the problem of fear. There are only, so those who attend the Vazhviyal classes, they know what it is. Right? So fear is the one which creates all the problems. How? How many of you driving? When you are driving, something comes up very quickly. What do you feel immediately? The lower abdomen, something happens, right? Some kind of flash. Just immediate, for a moment, for a moment. Then, what is the sequences after that? Let me go back. How many were here in 2001, the September 11, 2001, prior to that? Right. Do you know what happened after September 11? Post-test result, right? Because of that, if you go and take the history, especially the recent days, for any research to come out, it takes 15 to 20 years. Now it's time to go and take the research papers. Don't just match the current research paper right now. Right? For the cell phone, TV and all, it will take another 15-20 years to come out. By the time the one generation is over, the next generation, they don't know what to do with that. Right? So it takes 15 years to come out because of the process. So if you go to 15 years back, the current paper, which has actually happened 15 years back, so 2001, a lot of new diseases came. The Ebola, what we are talking today, is only after the September 11. It wasn't identified, reported prior to that. But most of the time we connect to Africa. I don't know why we connect to Africa. In fact, people in Africa are more relaxed. But we always connect with Africa. I don't know how it came, where it comes from. Actually, it is supposed to be here. But people who are traveling from here to Africa, they don't have the immunity power that eventually got it. And when they come back, they are reported. Right? Because Africa is a place where the people who are living in Africa, they don't have this kind of diseases. They don't know the diseases, first of all. So why is because of that? The September 11. The more you fear, the more the impacts in your body. What is the first one? The adrenal. But in a very simple way, it's adrenal. The first one is adrenal glands impacts. What is the adrenal impacts? Adrenal is directly connected to the pituitary, which is the master gland. So what's the master gland do? It actually controls the entire body functions. How it controls the entire body function? Basically, it controls the mother gland, which is the thyroid and parathyroid. When the mother gland impacts, see what happened is, the pituitary gland is a master gland, which gives the budget allocation. Right? It's like a sieve. Then when it comes to the mother gland, which is the thyroid, right? Thyroid and parathyroid, right? One is a HR, one is a finance, right? So what does these two does? Basically distributes those things and regulates it, thyroid and parathyroid. But what we normally focus is only pituitary. So when it comes to thyroid, it actually trying to control, but because the thyroid itself is impacted, because of this adrenal, pituitary and thyroid, it cannot distribute properly. Even though you have resources, the CEO allocate the budget, but the HR and finance people cannot distribute because it is closed. So what do we need to do? Because it's closed, what is the first one to impact? Anybody know? Yes, metabolism. What is why metabolism is impacted? What is the largest gland or organ in our body? What is the largest organ? Skin. Skin impact. The indication is, the very first indication is the skin impact. What is the skin is meant for in our body? Skin is nothing but ocean. When compared to the real world, skin is nothing but ocean. 71% of our body is actually water, right? Skin is related to ocean, right? Actually, the water in the ocean is related to our blood, right? The skin impacts. The skin is an indicator for everything. So why is skin impacted? Because of liver. So if it's not distributed properly, it's not functioning, the rest of the body is not functioning properly, the toxins are accumulated in our blood system. Why is accumulated? Because the lymphatic system is not working properly. What is the lymphatic system? It eliminates the toxins from the blood system into the outside world through the skin first, right? And if it's not working properly, then the next job is it goes to liver. The liver is a secondary backup. Even if the liver cannot do anything, then it goes to kidney. These three are the major functions, major organs to do the cleanup activities. If any one of these things are impacted, eventually that shows first in your skin, right? So what happened is, the first thing is impacted. Okay, let me put this way. How many of you have seen the Oham? Oham in the temple? Most of us. Okay, if you don't see it, at least, how many of you seen the stove in your home? That should be asked. It's really funny to ask the question because most of them, they don't know. If you ask kids, where do you get the food? They say the Costco. It's not from farm. See, that's how we changed. The kid's supposed to say that where the food comes from, it's supposed to from the farm, right? Who is the producer of the food? We are saying the manufacturer name, some XYZ name. We are not saying the farmer. That's how we have developed our culture now. So similarly, have you ever seen those who don't see the stove and how it actually functions? Let me know. So what is the one first we do? What is needed for the stove or the fire to be running? Yeah. Right? So, in order to, close the fire, what do we do? Don't turn the knob. Water, right? Or any kind of dirt to put it. So the eyes are related to fire, right? Panchabuddhas, out of Panchabuddhas, eyes are related to fire. The fire is not working means, what does it mean? There are some toxins in our blood system. The toxins should be removed. That is the first and foremost thing. Okay. How the toxins are produced? One is the food, which we all know. How much is the percentage? Maximum 10% food. The remaining 90% is our thought process. What we think is all matters. How we think, that's how the all we learn classes. Okay, so I don't want to go into that. It's actually a 12-week session. It's more than 24 hours thing. But right now, at least to start with, what we are going to share in this 2 hours is very rudimentary, basic steps, which everybody can follow at least, to start with, to see this result at least. Right? We are going to see. Until last evening, when Shantale was talking, we were thinking about to show some slideshows and all those things. Everybody knows those slides. Everybody knows the information, which I don't want to just share again. If you really want, we can share later. That's a different thing. But these 2 hours, we are going to see only techniques. How many techniques? We don't know. Let's try to cover as much as possible. Number 1. Number 2, if you really want to do anything that you want to practice, at least follow one practice, which won't even take even 5 minutes. Okay? So let's start with that.